man? Welcome back to the channel. Wayside, y'all see that street? Y'all know what street that is, right? That is the street that's Brothers Motors. Not Brothers Motors, Allpar Garage, baby. Yes, y'all know where I'm headed. Where you at, Philly? I'm finna be around a lot of horsepower right about now, all right? Horsepower just everywhere. It's just way too much horsepower up in this place. Let's see what they even got on the light. I ain't even got here yet. I see monster cars. Hoods up. What is that blue? Look at that. That joker there is ready for the track. Look at that monster, y'all. The big wheels on the back, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, that's a track car there. That's a race car there. I don't know what he doing. Look at that Challenger, that wide body right there, y'all. Y'all see that? Wow. Ooh. I'm going slow, guys. Look at that. Somebody got their hood up. You know I'm about to go be nosy. Look what's wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me zoom in. Cause that is a monster of a beauty right there, guys. Alright guys, I'm about to go inside. I'm planning on live streaming tonight. Yeah, if y'all don't know, today Thursday, right? Everybody out there should know by now I live stream on Sundays and Thursday at 8 o'clock, right? 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? From time to time, my live stream will be at different locations. A lot of times it'll be at the house, in my office, but this particular day, we're gonna try to live stream from Allpar Garage. Now, they typically close, you know, when they get done. So I go on at 8, so I'm gonna try to, however much time they will allow me is what I will do. If it's 30 minutes, damn it, it's 30 minutes. We gonna chit chat Q&A for 30 minutes. It is what it is. I'm gonna get away with as much as I think I can get away with. It's another challenger. So y'all, let me get out and set up, guys. Y'all gonna hang around with me, man. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Is that like a special or that's the regular fuel pump?
No, it's special because we got 2 fuel pumps on it.
What is it gonna do?
Supply more fuel.
As opposed to what? A fuel pump only gonna deliver so much pressure. You can't gain more speed because your fuel pressure higher, okay?
Well, it's more volume. You have two pumps plus their bigger pumps.
But the pressure is gonna remain the same no matter what.
Okay, but we're running bigger injectors because we need more air. So if the injectors are opening up more, if the injectors are delivering more fuel, you can starve out the pump. The fuel pressure actually start to drop. So we got to get a fuel pump that can deliver more fuel volume in order to keep the pressure constant.
That's not gonna PCM and none of that stuff is not gonna affect. It's tuned differently anyway.
We got ways around that.
I never know you can just because you push out more pressure, you can change.
Well, we're keeping the pressure constant. It's got a built-in fuel pressure regulator, so fuel pressure is going to remain constant. But if you only have a pump that delivers, let's say 300 liters per hour, and your engine is using more than that, your fuel pressure is going to start to drop because your fuel pump's not able to keep up with the fuel volume it needs. So then we have to go with more fuel, more fuel system.
Who the hell figured that out? Somebody sit back, engineers sit back and say,
let's figure that stuff out.
That's what's up. I mean, who makes the pump? Like somebody got to.
There's a company.
Oh, for real? Just for that reason?
Yeah. On some applications, you got to run 3 pumps.
I mean, those regularly they falling left and right at the shop, just dying.
Yeah.
But
it's the heat, and people be letting the fuel run so low.
Well, they make us redo the connector. They move that ground terminal.
Yeah.
They move a pin over one pin slot.
Yeah, you swap the fuel level sensor ground.
Yeah, exactly. Well, it was right next to the positive terminal, so that was kind of crazy in itself. Damn. Dude, man, is that legal?
Why is your first thing is always
Because you just something don't seem right. You're like,
when you go see shit, we would have
something ain't right. I see 3 connectors. What you got to read the feed. You got to reconnect the feed. Then you got all them connectors.
So all we use is this connector goes to the factory harness for the fuel level sensor.
Right.
And then these 2 go back to the back to the controller that controls the fuel pumps now.
So this car was built for racing.
Well, no, this one's not really a race car. This is just
Everyday street car.
more power. Yeah, this guy drives it. He's gonna drive it every day. 1,000 horsepower everyday car.
He's still wise. He can get to work quicker.
America. Why not? Bigger is better.
He can get to his day job faster. He'll never late.
That's it.
It's a free country. I understand that, but how ridiculous are you going to be?
Man, it's just like you bought that big $5,000 camera. I mean, why?
Dude, right. I don't even know where it's at.
Why'd you have to go something so big when you could have got something smaller and do,
Same quality. Hey, this is 6-speed. I'm about to set up. I ain't going to be in here all night. Go on at 8. Hope y'all caught some of that because it's a little too technical.